Are we drunk on sugar? Today I want to talk to you about those blended coffee drinks and how they might be damaging to your health. I'm Jackie Almer. Grab my guide at lowertoxiclife.com with all my recipes and hacks to improve the quality of your life and your health. All right, so let's talk about these drinks. Did you know that a medium blended coffee drink contains 14 tablespoons of sugar on average? That is 14 tablespoons. Now, when you look at this, right up here, this is half a cup. Right up here is half a cup. So you're getting almost half a cup in your coffee drink of sugar. Now, we know, and I've shared this before, that the average adult in the United States gets 22 teaspoons of sugar. So if you have one medium blended coffee drink at 14 teaspoons of sugar, that only leaves you 8 more teaspoons for the day. So thinking back on what you consumed today or yesterday or over the course of the week, when you track it back, how many blended coffee drinks did you have? And how much other ultra-processed foods or sugar-containing foods did you eat on a daily and weekly basis? Now, I mentioned the 22 teaspoons of sugar for an adult. 34 is what our children on average get because so much of their food is processed. So much from the fast food lane, vending machines, convenience foods, right? So that takes us up to 3/4 of a cup of sugar that the average child in the United States is consuming on a daily basis. Now, I can't end talking about sugar without also helping you create a lower toxic hack for these plastic cups. Paper or plastic. All of them contain those microplastics that have us as Americans and around the globe even consuming about a credit card size amount of microplastics in a week. And I always say, what if it was just half that? Would you knowingly eat half of a credit card on a weekly basis? So get yourself a good stainless steel. I'm a Yeti girl. Get yourself a good stainless steel container. Travel with it. You can have water in it throughout the day. But if you do visit your Starbucks or your local coffee shop, you can take your own cup. Oftentimes they give you a slight discount for that, and you'll know that you're not adding any other toxins besides what's in that coffee. And by the way, don't get the blended coffee drink. Now, on that note, I also want to talk about at the same time the microplastics that are in the straws. Even the paper straws aren't that great. On Amazon, you can order, straight or curved, some great glass straws. I prefer the glass personally to the stainless steel, but either stainless steel or glass will be so beneficial to you. So that's your hack for today. Cut back the sugar, cut back the plastics, and avoid those blended coffee drinks. Make sure you watch the rest of the videos on the sugar shakedown, ways that you can reduce sugar. The playlist is coming up right here. And again, grab my guide at lowertoxiclife.com.